This is the best formula that I could give. Prosperity formula. Bakit prosperity? Lagyan natin ng onting abundance mindset. Kasi kanina, savings lang, tapos expenses. Dito, dagdagan natin itong 10% na tithes. Kung kayo ay churchgoer, you love your church, you love your God, bless kayo kay Lord. Number one, buhay ka pa. Number one blessing. Pangalawa, may earning ka, may trabaho ka, kumikita ka, blessing din yan. Bigay mo rin sa Panginoon o sa ibang tao, sa charity, part ng kinikita mo. Why? It's an abundance mindset. If you realize you're blessed, you will be overflowing with blessings. Now you can give something, even a little bit, to other people. And because of that, the Lord will bless you more. Kung generous ka, 110%, you cannot outdo God when it comes to generosity. Ibibigay niya pa yan. Siksik, liglig, umaapaw, so that mas makapagbigay ka pa.